Let's see how we can light up 3 LEDs using one Arduino board. But before we do that, remember how to connect only one LED and what you have to do to not burn it. Please remember it's the Ohm laws, and you can find this in detail in a previous video. Now, we start from the previous point where we have already connected one LED to 3.3 volt pin of the Arduino board and to the ground using one resistor. And now we will continue to add the other two LEDs. In this software, you can also choose which color they could have. So it could be red, green, blue, for example, but could be of any other color. And the easiest way is to replicate the connections that we already have. So we connect ground from one LED to the ground of the other LED and so on. You see the name is terminal 2. And now we have to ask ourselves if we want to connect it to the same resistor or if we want to connect to other resistors. And if you remember the law of Ohm and also Kirchhoff, then you can decide yourself if it is better to go with one resistor or with three resistors. So one resistor for each LED. Now you can see that we have connected all LEDs ground pin to the ground pin of Arduino using the resistor, each specific resistor, and now we can connect the other pin. I think it's a good time to ask yourself what is a cathode and what is the anode of each LED. And this will tell you which pin of the LED, how it looks like, and which one to connect to which pin of Arduino. And you can see now we can have a direct connection from one pin to the voltage pin. And if you watched our previous video, you also remember why we need these resistors between Arduino board and the LED. And you can see now that the LEDs yep, there is some light that we can see on the red one, and now we could also try with the other two. So we have the red pin, the red LED working, and now we need to see the green LED and the blue LED working. And if the power connection is correct, then we should see some light on them. So when we start it, yep, now we see all of them red, green, and blue emitting light, which is actually what LED means, light emitting diode. So thanks for watching. Now stay tuned, because in the next video we'll show how to connect one RGB light instead of using 3 resistors and 3 LEDs, but we'll use only one LED which has a lot more pins because it is in RGB LED, and maybe why not an Y RGB.